Hello, welcome back to my channel. The best crimpers make it possible get crimped hairstyles without needing any special skills, hacks or tricks. They are also perfect for adding volume to flat and fine hair. Here is a list of popular and highly rated crimpers that have positive customer reviews. At the first place is the Golden Hot Professional Crimper Iron. People love this crimper mainly because it is extremely easy to use and as a result shortens styling time. Its adjustable heat makes it perfect for use on different hair types without damaging it. And it also creates curls that last, even in super straight hair that normally don't hold curls. As for its shortcoming, people mainly complain about the dial, in that it's not clear which way to turn in order to increase or lower the temperature. But other than that, this is a great crimper. The Show 4-in-1 hair crimper comes in at the second place. The interchangeable plates that it comes with is an absolute advantage for this crimper since it allows for multiple styles. It also makes it a great value for money purchase, especially considering the price it comes at. And the fact that it heats up really fast and that it is incredibly effective, makes it a favorite. Changing the plates seems to be a little bit tricky for some people, but once you get the hang of it, it gets easier. In the third position is the Bedhead Chrome crimper. This crimper is loved because it not only adds texture, but also volume. It is easy to create a crimped hairstyle with this crimper. And for those with thick hair, it is perfect since it gets really hot. The main problem that some people seem to face has to do with inadequate insulation. But other than that, it is a high-quality crimper that heats up fast and is affordably priced. The Ink and 4-in-1 Interchangeable Crimper takes the fourth position. This crimper is a favorite among people with fine hair because it can be used to add volume. It is also easy to use and its results lasts, making it the ideal hairstyling iron for most people. And its interchangeable plates, including one for a straightener, guarantees that you will receive great value for your money. The one thing that most people complain about is the inadequacy of the instructions on how to change the plates. In the fifth place is the Hot Tools Professional Gold Crimper. This is another styling tool that is perfect for adding volume for those with fine and flat hair. As a crimper, it is very effective at creating crimps that both look good and last. And the fact that it heats up fast and has adjustable heat settings makes it convenient to use. The main limitation of this crimper is its size. It's narrower, and so can crimp little hair at a go. These are the best crimpers in the market. Use the links in the description to find out more about them. That is it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.